Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog treats for puppies that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Vital Essentials Freeze-Dried Dog Treats. Vital Essentials makes training a breeze with their freeze-dried treats, available in multiple protein flavors, including salmon, beef liver, turkey giblets, chicken, and tripe, a type of beef. This high-value treats come in bite-sized pieces of real meat that have been frozen in raw form to lock in all the flavor and nutrients without any of the mess. Each treat promotes digestive health and boosts your pet's immune system with a healthy dose of probiotics, digestive enzymes, and calcium. They're also gluten and grain-free, so they're perfectly safe for dogs with allergies or sensitivities. There are zero fillers, flavorings, antibiotics, hormones, or rendered animal byproducts. The green beef tripe dog treats the nutritional value of 155 kilocalories per ounce with 49% protein, 36% fat, 2.2% fiber, and 8% moisture. Vital Essentials freeze-dried beef tripe dog treats are made from pure, raw, green beef tripe. We never use added hormones or antibiotics, no added fillers, flavoring or rendered byproducts. Single ingredient, high-protein dog treats support your dog's health, naturally. Dogs love the taste because we use a 48-hour slow freeze-drying process that locks in the natural flavor, texture and freshness of the meat without compromising the nutritional value. A healthy, nutritious and delicious way to feed your dog between meals. Treats with real meat your dog instinctively craves. Moving on at number 4, we have the Wellness Soft Puppy Bites Natural Grain-Free Treats. Wellness training treats are medium value, small, bite-sized cookies in lamb and salmon or chicken and carrots flavors. The soft texture makes these treats perfect for training. These snacks are grain-free, with no artificial flavors or colors, or common allergens such as soy or corn. If your pet has a food allergy, these treats can be the perfect solution. In addition to real animal protein as the first ingredient, these treats also contain beneficial ingredients like blueberries, sweet potatoes, apples, flaxseed, and carrots. Wellness Just for Puppy natural dog treats are wholesome, all-natural soft, tasty, bite-sized dog treats made in USA only and specially formulated for puppies under 1 year with delicious lamb and salmon flavor and wholesome meat, greens, fruits and veggies you can see. Dog biscuits, treats and snacks are a great addition to a healthy diet. Snack time is a mutually rewarding show of love and positive reinforcement with your puppy or dog. You can feel good about training and rewarding your dog with Wellness natural dog treats. These snacks' nutritional value includes 14% protein, 16% fat, 2% fiber, and 30% moisture content. A great benefit of these treats is that they also contain DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. At number 3, we have the Blue Buffalo Blue Bits Natural Soft Moist Training Dog. Blue Buffalo training treats are yummy pieces of bite-sized meat for a high-value training treat. This product does not contain any wheat, corn, soy, chicken or poultry byproduct meals, or artificial preservatives or colors. Using these treats ensures a healthy snack to encourage your puppy to learn new tricks without stuffing them full of junk treats. Blue Buffalo Blue Bits has soft, moist, bite-sized pieces of real beef chunks shaped like an adorable heart. Each pack has a pound of yummy meat full of DHA, a crucial ingredient for puppies' cognitive development. This recipe's first 5 ingredients include real beef, oatmeal, brown rice, cane sugar, and potatoes. Blue Bits are dog training treats that are soft, moist, and extremely tasty. Perfect for training and perfect for treating. Blue Bits are a healthy and nutritious reward that your dog will love. This product's nutritional analysis includes 10% protein, 7% fat, 4% fiber, 27% moisture, 0.10% DHA, 0.8% omega-3, and 1% omega-6 fatty acids. And there is only 4 kilocalories per piece. At number 2, we have the Natural Balance Limited Ingredient Mini Rewards Turkey Grain-Free Dog Training Treats for Dogs. If you're worried about giving your puppy training treats loaded with ingredients, you may prefer this mini grain-free limited ingredient puppy treats by Natural Balance. You can get these treats in 3 yummy flavors of chicken, turkey, or salmon. No matter which flavor you choose, you'll feel comfortable knowing there's never more than 5 ingredients. Each tiny piece is a crunchy bone that can be eaten in one bite, so your pet won't lose his attention span to eat crumbs. And each one is less than 5 calories, so they're completely healthy. The ingredients list of this lid consists of real animal protein as the first ingredient, potatoes, peas, glycerin, cane molasses, sweet potatoes, and natural preservatives and minerals. There are no fillers, artificial preservatives, colors, or flavors. These delicious mini rewards turn any time into treat time and help keep training fun. Natural Balance LID Limited Ingredient Diets Mini Rewards Dog Treats are designed with a single animal protein source and limited carbohydrate sources, and are a great way to reward and motivate your dog. Natural Balance LID Limited Ingredient Diets Mini Rewards Dog Treats are made with turkey for a delicious taste they love and are less than 5 calories per treat. The nutritional analysis has 3.5 kilocalories per treat with 10% protein, 4% fat, 4% fiber, and 22% moisture. Recommended feeding is 5 to 6 treats per 10 pounds. And finally, at number 1, we have the Full Moon USDA Organic Chicken Training Treats Healthy All-Natural Dog Treats Human Grade 175 Treats. Treat your learning puppy to yummy chicken-flavored snacks like these from Full Moon Organic Human Grade, edible for humans. Treats made from 100% natural ingredients. Suppose organic is the way you like to go. In that case, you'll love this ingredient list full of organic foods like USDA organic chicken, organic cane sugar, organic flaxseed, ground celery, and dried cultured skim milk. These treats are free of glycerin, grain, corn, soy, and wheat and only include natural and organic ingredients. The tiny bite-sized pieces make this medium-grade snack perfect for training or to carry along on walks as an easy reward. And the small size means you can feed your puppy a few pieces multiple times a day without causing your puppy to become obese. This commitment drives our choices, from how we raise our animals, to the ingredients we choose, to the kitchens we use. You'll notice the difference the second you open a bag of our natural dog treats. Our Full Moon treats are made with love in the USA. We work exclusively with the trusted family farmers and ranchers we've been in business with for years, ensuring that animals are raised to the highest ethical standards. Every bite begins with USDA-approved, human-grade meat, cooked in gleaming kitchens using only 100% natural ingredients, and ends with a satisfied pup. Each of our healthy snacks, like Full Moon Organic Chicken Training Treats, are free of artificial preservatives, colors, or flavors and full of things dogs love.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.